Hey, Kate, it's Peter.
Hi, Peter. How are you?
Fine, thanks. Actually, I'm bored. I'm studying, and it's no fun. What are you doing?
I'm babysitting.
Babysitting? Who?
I'm at my neighbor's. I'm babysitting Lindsay.
You are?
Yeah, we're playing, and I'm having fun.
Oh.
Actually, she's waiting for me. Well, I have to go. Talk to you soon, Peter.
Yeah, sure.
Bye.
Hello, Peter?
Hey, Doug, what's up?
I'm with my girlfriend, Melissa.
Is everything okay?
Yeah. I'm with Melissa. And her parents.
Oh, how's it going?
Okay, I guess. We're having dinner together.
Nice.
It's ready.
I'm coming. I have to go. Talk to you soon.
Good luck with Melissa and her parents.
Thanks. Thanks a lot.
From the legendary vault of Hollywood.
Hello?
Hi, Peter. It's Emmy. Are you okay?
I'm studying.
You're not studying, you're sleeping.
Okay, I'm sleeping. But I'm studying too. What are you doing, Emmy?
I'm hanging out with Ivan and Carla.
Really? Sounds like fun.
Yeah, we're watching movies at my place. Are you busy?
Well, I'm studying for a test that I have on Monday.
We're making popcorn.
What time is it?
It's 20 after 9. Ivan is ordering a pizza.
Okay, I'm coming.